Hi, my name is Domenico Vaccaro, and I'm here for un beso today. I'm here for Nosihle Domenico. That is, it was my wife to be and is my wife. Nosihle. Finally, we are here. We planned from last year and just spent time to imagine how it should be, and I don't know, but we are living it now, and I don't know how to say I love you so much.
Hi, my name is Faith and I'm here in Derby with my friend for her wedding. Right now I'm really enjoying it, different culture from mine. Everything is new to me, fantastic, awesome. And for the couples, I will wish them happy life, a lot of kids, and good health and abundant blessing.
Hello, I'm Paolo, and this is my first time in South Africa. Domenico e Nossi, vi auguro il meglio per voi, siete famiglia.
I just wish her the way she envisioned it to go, and then when it comes to umendo wakhe ngimfisela inhlanhla ahloniphe umkhwenyana amthande i-respect goes a long way. Thank you.
Uyazingethanda, ngiyakutanda.